Activated carbon is made of coal and tar. After desulfurization and denitration, activated carbon particles. According to the material characteristics, Yulong Company specially developed the activated carbon pellet machine.
First, all the places in contact with the material are made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel, which improves the service life of the machine. Second, according to the adhesive force of the material, the plate is refitted for natural cutting, so that the formed activated carbon is not easy to break, and the particle integrity is high. Activated carbon ratio is significant, so the output is also high. Yulong Activated Carbon Granulator, 560 model, motor power 132 kilowatts, production in 3 to 4 tons.
850 model, motor power 250 kilowatts, output of 8 to 10 tons per hour. Yulong Machinery speaks by quality.